surveys that have been done. So as a party, I'm very, very happy that, and as a country, I'm very, very happy that religion and tribe has not entered our political discourse. We should not therefore allow people to come in to play propaganda with religion and tribe. We are one nation. We will all go together and we will move, whether we are Muslims or Christians, we will all work together for the good of this country. And that is how we should try to get everybody going forward.
The Numa Assembly Tiawa, and you should move after elections from different research. I beto Johnny the private individual independent ones in your say, and just so you cremonity, and now we are into no lose elections. No, there are other factors. I would do change the amount for person or no ekoshehono. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, MPP si omo wadwiri omo say Chief Justice Omanhene Yaw could do a suspended no. Na no mo share ni mu senka. Adie we nipa bebre na etu Omanhene John Dramani Mahama fo se mo onye na so wantie wa ye MPP fo.
An independent organ. The judiciary was attacked to the extent that the Chief Justice of the Republic had been suspended by the sitting president, something that has never happened under this fourth republic. And as a party, we are using this medium to show our displeasure about the action of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. This is not the democracy Ghana wishes for. And as a country that has gone through several elections, there should be progression, not retrogression.
Justin Frimpong Kodia and General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party now it is or the same way to Jano. You rock with the top black is a passport application. It will be embedded with a chip as a part of the new reforms.
Kindly take note of the date. This is the momentous date to take note of. On 28th of April 2025, we are going live, switching from the current biometric passports to chip-embedded passports. Now, this is not just a routine update. It represents a major leap forward in our efforts to stay ahead of emerging threats and ensure the integrity of Ghana's travel documents. With the incorporation of advanced security features, including nanotechnology and micro radio frequency identification chips, this passport sets a new benchmark for document security.
Anyway, you imagine Chiremuye because nipa bebre we say na e chip no booklet ba ku bia chip no be shemana and I be in the form of a card. Yes. Na ebia wo the passport no o card no wo the to say Ghana card. Your bio data, every document and everything will come. Will the world accept that? Because you know Ghana card no passport they to kind. Or some they call Nigeria, they call America, they call USA, Germany. Omanjia tumusana. Omu obisa. And I introduce you. They are not first in the world. And I introduce you. It's possible we can introduce something. Are they drone CNA Shasia yeah America for Christian. So you bet me a day. Ashe Bibi as Antiana is an innovation which you all 28th of April ya moko from
Intina kunta dada ne guona ye usuni na yensa mfamre wo mu na womo enye
they will give themselves some years to face it out.
O passport no wu a na se wo kwakoye fufra
na amount new one
the new one ba de ne se ne
they said who will be dada
se be ya konche
so biometric
enkonko mama inconvenience bia wo bia embassy bia na se
So I'm just yourself could you travel the outside world in Komo via son of Away.
Okay.
Now they could do almost say your passport was matter, get out. Debbie and Tessa. Not for 7 notice of a nationwide strike over delayed promotion of over 1,000 teachers. Ghana National Association of Teachers, you almost catch your man, penny your mama. Minister of Education, Ghana Education Service, in penny for United stakeholders about additional day one. Say, Omushe, a yaka say a teacher for about 1,000 promotion. I say,
teachers have not been promoted. There is fire on the mountain. At this particular time, the teachers of this country are not happy. The lower rank since 2019, teachers have not been promoted. Since 2019, when we went to the Public Services Commission, we were told that only 2 regions have been done. When will the rest be done? When will the rest be done? The scheme of service is also pending. Upgrading issues also pending. Why?
Oh, no, but there should be promotion.
Why must it?
I can't do it.
Okay. Mami kwa umano suna mene Dr. Richard Amakumba hashchenkumo. Doc me mwachiano pay. Dr. Amakumba me mwachio. Now pump to say doctor. Madama, as openia abanim die wo amanyosemu ne amanyosadi suemu na usaye party bano. Medical busa say MPP yeto abawie yomudi dwono wo mu su ni sani omo ye omo ne ma no e ade ye ni soma
o ankoyi papa ometuma ye ni ye chance kura so omo ye wada consultation am for be church ma kwan bebre ametuma fa so aye ade ni ye pa mana di mu ka mo be wie na trouble akomu nyina na mahu na man for peace so akuma to omuyem because mo ne won bekasa so no see important so party ba ne bofu na chi party for ni bi mpenifo kakra mo ne won bekasa na ko beto ne yem e cha say wo hia party no na ma aba na so no bekasa ezi le nyesa de no basa
wadaromo party no si wo mo ko na ase Ewo Ghana nyina 16 regions. Omene Dr. Bauma National Executive. Yate so omo so matwro krata akoma omo contest ye ni nyina so meka omo ho. We no who ni say.
That arrangement thing I was say I that dance sana. Ko. Yen corners you ko chopa. Now one do kugu a okoda me da so wan to amami na so baby o penches mu o pentiasie e de na ma obu ofusa he yo mo pesa mo huno ntimo no mo kasa ina na che say questions am bi so mo de happy ni ya e ta bi saka ho obi ade e different ni de makoko e kan nko ana ama modin kugu bebre nipa mo bisa questions no do so mo hu bebre so after mapa chow to be dia be free bia no se so why ho kama ana say chow para mokopa anye optional it's a more part to benefit na motor moko abari na almost by force was said there so okobi ni hu because who can hu to omobu afu na we an optional is ba ku for ba hu yankwa problem be no problem and for and some of guy ba yankwa nam guy na na do ka hu we ka Kennedy kraka hu so jo so mu nyina me nka so mu nkoni nyina baby mo nhwe na mo picking certain would mean uko be the whole country another yen yasa we abekasa the partner ka sa radio so say ye ntimi anko be bia na mo ye ko kakaro ye hu ye ye damase ye pamocho mo banche e ni sa na ye the whole country is another
Dr. Makuba, because it's too early for people to peak. According to say, omo pray say omo to frank ama MPP no. Obeka say ebi eyi omo tintem. Ebi mu national executives. Ebi mu call say omo ma omo lose election no cross obi akra resign. Kasa na what no. Is it good for MPP?
Opinion no so no they need to be in control. Obi bo for us all can asem. Obi asem is different. Now take in na bon say maybe woman and me almost the same. Now timba pontina be kasa asem won kwa won no be kra abe no matias here. Abe no matias no. So no wakasa chiro na asemasa. Now so the Koye campaign Obiara na baby fufu, and it's good. Too early for that. Or so a mammo no a friend enya in Cambo Moon first. The Cambo Moon ye pa Kasamo via because more than for so. Now one can be as a man sending you man and move. So they know me first day, the record discipline committee, the base and the name you cry.
And once soon as a CA. Mabawa ni bi asante kasa ajo asafo kasa ye de ne committee anim afi ya postpone abo papo onsu be mpa so ye se ono so
abo papo running the enye papa enye the same thing obi aye ne bi no ko ye post no who say I won't present a wrong candidate didn't know lose po be no ko ye
okay
na do na what's our position na do na what's our position on Baumia automatically and you want to say Baumia will have a candidate in the upcoming next election and what because as I say and yeah or no mum because party for 68% say na do nti na lose here now we are kasa so unko ye pobia unhu fi when I mean ko kasa ye hu sentisa no be now say be nya no represented the wrong candidate on here.
Dr. Makubana just say, "Oh, say, Nanado Danko Kufuado no ne ba me antemu sisi en court send you omo call 60 years no."
Well, what the chain or can some chain go for and go for can. No more like come as who come on. Because on Peso be in. On the text, yes, I say, one presented wrong candidate there. Let's just say, into time, Panon could be. Into more for my cover, say, Brian Champo, or no, no, part to what or go through process, you know. That's a man for super, no matter. Yeah, now touch in our country when I'm on it. The wire now party now saying, or person, yes, still indirectly on the control party. There be, yeah, please out. And you, sir.
There's a one officer also been Pacas and in Yano, he tell you a chain in another.
President Casano or come on. President Casano or come on. Nina, President Casano or come on. As well can have been about it. Or you then who said they presented the wrong candidate. Who did not work for 3 times and son are winning. The first one, the first, no, you're wrong candidate because who losing? And of course, the second one was losing, and you're very super wrong. Yes, sir. Now, you're super wrong, no, of course, 3 times or so winning. Hey, and you're no correct. That's just so. Ubiasa and Apostle Canada and Nana Bosa. Who do one could see the so. That is it.
Nani say I know about Trechra there, as you are saying it there. And then a part of the Munyo.
Munyo, and someone who can pepper must say no bay there. Or no, say or son called Canon to so. No, my party, you don't know Kataka Kramuyan, or Mutumi Kaboom. That's what the starting sign no man is into Timuan or Deba. Tannet yet.
May just say, I say, every before near Gufado, and Omrana Moncote National Patriotic Front. And the Cresswaka be bizarre.
When your party mark up bizarre, yes, when you're man, because man, yes, small shades when yes, I don't know. That's his hand over here, and then more will you. Moon, we take that. Won't you mean come over mother? Over to me, half the party are going the party, won't you? Won't you? And it's all yes, I mean, I know, and it's a mono yakasi. So I can not why a president of here, Cotrafi said the president for 4 years, Cotrafi, na ja party no na ja they say the normal was the no and yet the same as time on over no so na party ni hwe no onye ni nya so ta che na de bia say o say you wo wie de na wo dia kon kugo pansam no una pesa sa control ka party na re
na ya say that
some media chere me wa ka some media chere me da and penifo na mo party na mo support young men no mo pa mo flip na party no there and assembly what cast out before it was all no pen any here any ene
that's all Richard Amakuba medasi
you
that's no pay hey Asante Akwaba ya Akwaba
Yeah, no, my.
mami chemo Asante
Oh, my. Enra na MPP for the statement about Papa na say is supposed to be empa. Omo friend no. It was in order because now one miracle ye name with social media for me I didn't like it because party no it knew say MPP for
the miracles no see no in the capacity of party ni mu ye dey
and that is a point.
Miracles aboaje no or your commentator or your communicator that other so your spokesperson ma election no ma Dr. Ba
The election is even over.
so what is it
So
emebru no eyaje mena bia ma omo ho a omo de ha party no
and you know me no I had also expected saying ka ozu be mpa de na nanka miracles so omo
and you should also be called
because on the party you know say wakope flag bearer even ward and answer mo can say constituency
police station elections crowd mo
ye and the other na mo jump the gun na mo interest I say flag bearer be on person benti we be some of the party no to common you and many of my agenda but they should equally extend the same invitation to miracles in any other person because there was say o kan how amane be a party no
ya say obi ka no obi so reply na the reply no dey ma come no ato
and no
me no ya age
until mo invite mu nyina na they should because my the mo ye no you kase be kase bo I just afford the some extent a boa party no reorganization but wo mu de no de
I say war
I say na onye say war kwana say enye de hia party no kra say ne flag bearer
and one here na come move into personal attacks.
and the befodu baby no o dreme bi na campaign sika kwa ha na we kwa
campaign sika be the buy e be tie bi
and I hope say and say na many nya it should be in the report
yaw ebi ma di akoko
o my say na many report no okay we I want my say president says one say president say what be bia o
da be president says wo da wo say
66 67 and 68
oh enti na o say am call am to order na ebuama party
Dr. Makoba say the ekoso nyina if Nanado will keep quiet the party will be united
on my media in fact minimum information on Makoba I should be fair to the former president because Omanhene party co-position be mean so be a public statement be
asante
meba say o pesa o kan na ye say ya wotan no kwa ba go pe the Nado o co-position papa yi branch champion from ko wi abetifia pe ne ho we
Rock City
obi ka say na initiative that invitation o frɛ na Nado kwa nya party mo mpanimfo bi na frɛ wo mo
na ho no mo sa ansem no kra ye be ka na kire say me ti hotel
so
a chao pa nyina bebem
on say they wanted to use that opportunity say on be mie kro bi ni ade and he say bibi sa o na amakuba ko bi na kwati say na Nado e say la say party no person here pampia say party no ana mini ho and how can I side with him or not okay. That is my point because na Nado ko opposition and as MPP ko na Nado
so abekasa
party no nsensem wakwatra se din enti no se ba se me beje di na ma bida ba beto so sa de na bia ye hu evidence and for that matter the branch champion so se be onya akwada he is own man ono kwa na ka running mate kwa na nkasa tempo na manfo people say kan ono kwa
so during that time kwa na manfo pen running mate
what you say enti no
Makoba ka say nkomo na ekoso no nyina ye sa say president Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye free we free ba o mi echi ese wo ko gina Kennedy Japan echi na mo de Kennedy aba na brand champion aba Kennedy running mate akota what you say na Makoba ka no
ya na say combination so Asen kanye bado.
Yeah, mpacho.
You didn't come on and be there. As I say, yeah, Boba, and I'm say, as a combination. But a people so say, but me, I'm running Uncle Fabra Champo.
Yeah, and can also combination in your bad.
I went to Brian Champo.
It has a Brian or a constant figure.
Or a constant figure.
Mass K
is constant.
K is constant.
I come here and say, I brand Brian Champo. For now, no, running mate, and also no be a Mumushi. Ono nya presidency na dachi kope. Remember that man to me. But for the time being, no, nipa bebre hu say he will be a strong running mate for anybody.
Yes, whoever wins, whether Baumia and answer Kennedy.
According to certain point in time, be more Kasero na Idrisu.
Yes,
because of my mama. Ewo esrem na owie na de na sacrifice me be be ha no. Na mom ono onye constant.
Oh, so Haruna Disu so a constant figure in NDC.
Obey
2028 and beyond.
I was say Haruna Disu.
Yes,
future na Haruna there. Oni okuje tabla ko. Omo hihye. Enti Brian Champo.
Any okuje too. Oh, at force and so a huge figure.
Oh, asuma make.
But because Efrim Fante ne with Professor Genano Kukwajimano.
No.
So the tilted core and it's the see I don't to say crown or a contender for running mate.
Yes,
it's also been unfinished business for the central region.
And I'm saying on the central region, so the unfinished business.
It has always been there. And so the business must be finished.
But this business where you finish it. Business where you finish.
Atu is a key.
As a panic can say.
Now, could the central region and Timan finish where Beko Eastern regional?
Finishing
the central region and Timan finish vice we are.
You are saying vice no. Omo mfie nine.
Yes.
Oni omampani jo mama we are.
Yes.
Omo ko.
Makota there be nyaho na menam you. Say me asante ka say it has always been an unfinished business for the central region.
Very good. Say ya na say wo ni ade na. Say omu obewie. Nyame 2 minutes.
Oh yes. Obewie. Because obewie no.
What the age you be on?
Na say omu wie a maame no obenya 78.
77.
The woman will be about 77 going to 78 years.
Yes.
Ghana for sample uluma assembly bill. And
that is the point.
I don't know. Obenya replacement in the person of Ato Force and
that is likely.
And now say Ebeko Eastern region.
NDC enko south near Kanda.
NDC
south
and north south.
But
they don't deal with Christian or Muslim.
Yes.
NDC acquire north south.
It could be Christian
or south north.
Christian from south.
But
the Christian by Atta Mills and John Mahama.
NDC has always done Christian. NDC time now, my winning Christian.
Religion.
Not religion. That is a fact.
And MPP for the
higher religion and region.
Okay. No mom Kovano.
Oh, maybe I'm doing such. Assembly Jana say, I'm a cool body or so kind of pain say. So I don't can do too much.
On my media, and I'm missing Papa Pena, Macobania, I say. Nando has never spoken anywhere.
But so many Amako back with Taya, you say, dear warrior Cradano. I was there, dear warrior Cradano. And I'm sorry, and I'll go away. One of the warrior and as
I'm saying, do you agree, sir? Now, people are saying there's bad blood between the president and his vice. Because during the last cabinet, the president was embittered, say, because he wanted to help Baumia. But when we need there, we are told the president may declare because of a certain issue that happened in the north. Allegedly, Omanhene was told to say, And almost call Rock City.
What's up, Panacha?
Almost call Rock City, no, a copy says, now a certain personality, a coordinator, national security, and yes, no chance. Which means that there were people conspiring against the vice president.
And for that there was lack of communication.
It was no only party now, no team, no deal.
And almost conspire against him in the north because until that thing happened, nobody gave it. Nobody, even Musa Dankwa's research, Brazil, Baumia leading in some regions in the north.
Yes.
So the narrative changed when and it was a strategy against the vice president. What did they make sure? Now a party for only be sooner. And you know, what do you mean? Say not wholesome. That people wanted Baumia to be president. We are told and now don't even apologize because the information that briefing need the briefing the man or no a man the bufu Baumia. So now I have told you saying yes sanity is he going back or not?
But on my idea about question the Marco Bekan.
Now could Asante, why must it be say President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and Otifi no one a bechere say
Mumfa we
into Mumfa
it is Yahweh no, retract that.
Okay,
thank you.
I don't forget. Only get a near man you need. Ah, was actually a cockred delia. What do you hope?
No credit say. Party no enyina brand say. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Where do you mrevi? Kotrasi. You beju wo futu. But nyawo na obekere. And nyawo na obekasa me the way see. Rollins ye be amon NDC. Atamils in bread pass ana. All we need the trust. All we need the trust of even the party people. Some of your mama always say, no, no, Bekase, or no, Kofa will be Bariaba, or be go NDC. Oh, to the metro. Yes. It's in fear watching. Is it now don't let NPP
for 16
years?
Yes.
Your mama, Ekuta NDC for 16 years. And as you say, all Baby chat 20 no ako.
I could take for the crowd your quarter 16. So Kutan 16 with you.
And already 8 account.
Already 8.
To 24 years.
When it is 16.
2008. Sir to 2024. Yeah. 2025 you crowd as you control. Titi free matter.
Oh. It's almost your mama. I'm ranting in your day. And yeah.
But once on my same people policy be not emphasize conventional. Once then Montpellier that kufu we no. One in advice no. The party into Oman.
It was not a convention.
But I make I say, but the party accepted Senate the Montpellier. Nanado, I know it was being less than another Lisa Crusade.
You Mahama contested for flag.
I know the Oman to a man, no man to a man,
or new Omnina,
to no man to a man, said, I live fata, come to a man.
Yet, so went to me, but make a sentino,
no one beginning, I no interest. Me and Papa, I see what in nominal coffin and buy. Nah,
but your mother said not to swat seven notice.
On my
1,000 teachers.
Not ne DSC or Tamale no as on the same
Ghana Medical Association.
See, no. Tamale Teaching Hospital doctors need to suspend the emergencies. OPD services. Almost say Suhini. Any community candle honorable. Omame pa Penina Chewa. Abrante now to them they feel say they maltreated him.
Yes.
To them they feel say Omo edi omo tumi beto se so. Omo man kwan man semo a abrante ni chirechire mu no. Asa me minister ti shut up. Me MP ti shut up. MP no so any minister so fi say na the kasa was rododo. Na obi kasa was ro ana ko obi officer. No she wase a. The question we should ask say abrante no odidi o matemu ana. O kasa ti a omo. Na ni nchiremu no na enye nchiremu enough. Should that warrant say, I say, high-headedness? My bound chime me, minister, me no exchange West. The way I want to make us as a woman to me, hey, to see our doctor singing now, so in solidarity.
An attack on the Ghana Medical
because
Association.
Omuma we see
It's an attack on
a
doctors.
continuous thing.
Consistent.
The next teaching hospital.
Yes.
Ni eyi obisua di san say minister ko also omra abrante ne say omantino wayi na di. What is this?
And akote kroma say so no doctors kasa and answer doctors epusu omo ho kakra bi a.
Asema ba o.
Na wo ba ya ebisi wo Kumase Konfanochi Teaching Hospital e mo Bangalore's issues bi e ba ya Dr. Late num
omo bufu
ye say no omo ja omo ne magu akwa akopedan. Hwe sa 3 days so say 2 days no.
Konfanochi was empty.
Konfanochi ho no mo. I do baby kura so omo nsuo kura no na ma.
That's right.
Doctors ne strike here amanfo say na mo kire mo. Akota doctors no they work under mo can say strain conditions baby.
Extreme.
Omo compromise ni amane bebre na nipa enkwanti no more abeg.
Now doctors are infected. No. Doctors are in the line of duty. We have no idea. But quietly they are working.
It will feel say sensu mba wo Tamale Teaching Hospital me medical doctor no. Me na me nko sensu mfemfrifie emra megu tank ni mo Tamale Teaching Hospital. Ebia health minister kan che say bia director na say medical superintendent no wo Tamale Teaching Hospital no ebi kra ontro inform me
say bia
say mu ho nyina mu ni nsuo ana say bia MRI machine no asay na bia mu ntro mu inform yen onye ho hwe say yes fidie ni bi sisi wo omo yusu yi e de sisi wo barakonta edu ba bia etimi esi classroom dan si wo 3 years headmistress no bon humusuo no de nkwala kogumu abra DC and answer MP ye be transfer no enti edu ba bia politicians no so no omsuso omu duebo na anu ade bi na anu asem bi ene na anu omusu no omu ba bi no obo say public servant na answer civil servant no a wada no so odi afidie na ba besiwo na answer odi ade na ba besiwo no mo wo so o meba be komisi omeye na odi koye adwuma say kiridim
okay ti Konfanochi issue na be 4 days na my no eno so na ade professor ade mensa so ye be yinadi ye ni ya ne omudi nkomo
na o me say you know interchange na ye na
there be ba say na nsuo ma ade we o mo say ede na ma nsuo ni ma
we nya nsuo asemu we die omo chirimu a omo there was emergency case bi
lady bi ko wu
na it was all over on social media and the
so my issue is if the institution temio negligence and amani panewua the head CEO no based where you know on your research to find yourself why you negligent now Dr. Krono mo apprehend no mo ni ntili se CEO no na wan hwe na dwuma yi a wayi nati but anobaba kasa nya yidie
ade na course here ade na me reho kakra ne say it was on the gallery it won't say in minister akono there should be like a formal discussion
go to the office
mako
say no ne confasa na me iba
populism minister no
akoma social media
minister na populism so then the way the CO2 was speaking na entwaye o man ba me dey e mare ho kakra kwa ne say in less than 24 hours, I say you have been dismissing on Akpe will be obedient. No, that is my worry. You see,
and you
my worry
is the background according to an over easy.
On my worry is say, yes, a chill on mine. We can the best of me say, honorable, the CEO have been suspended.
Yes, no sack.
Na ye future win sim.
CEO no a medical doctor.
So that you
he went through interview near public service.
What you
it's who in a deal on what basis?
The thermal issue no of in recent times no it has been there.
So what your mama na yangia home na ranti na uchichi our bona no pay there. I was here for Orlando Bao.
Wake up
Orlando Bao.
Okay, a brother says to be me at say and pay ye the full time. And I say tip of Jumadino and ebro and pay na Omanhene Yaw Boakye ejemu ediama die e free sabre ekoi se nonso ebaba pound simano aduanan enum agudie mu nsem na we ni yetetete ho a nonkono ebopam a ye the full time no enso abrel eho na obete ensem no dodo na endra Real Madrid awamanone no omo etimi ewini a Cinco de Mario edemo ebebre sisi ade Arsenal omaya adene clear ediama Liverpool say we can see Liverpool ebetimi a confirm say league no omoje esi omona so this season ewo EPL anima Cinco edemo no enso ebebre anod pay na sabre de eye efisem na ejekum Blankson Junior obetimi afremi Orlando Matinasia medebro na ensem no yebehya ase ede free Krobia Metema Fantabros Kumase Asante Kodoko the Porcupine Warriors ukuma pema apem ebeba Asante Kodoko sisi ade news no oma na dominate enso eho esanse encheye ene yede beto wanim se Asante Kodoko head coach your friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum empanyimfo abone na sitio ageno adwuma efren nsem wabra Asante Kodoko ebo 3 matches maximum 9 points coach say only one entina empanyimfo say directional team na ekono no crest de empanyimfo emanya ntie no na edikan lawyer Safuduku ono na communication director Edema Kumasi Asante Kodoko say